Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome in, welcome on back. If you guys don't know, my name is Sherelle. I do cruelty-free beauty and vegan lifestyle videos here on YouTube. And I wanted to do a quick PR boxing for this company. They are called LunatiCK Cosmetics. Let me grab their boxing. They actually reached out to me about maybe 2 weeks ago and said, hey Sherelle, we love your stuff. We'd love to send you out a package if you would love to receive it. I said, absolutely. I love you guys. I've been following them on Instagram for a really long time now. I really love all of what they stand for as well as their packaging. I think they're so cute. So I was really excited when I got the alert from my mail office to come down because I had some packages waiting and this was there. So this is what it looks like. Here it says, here lies your face, and I thought this was super cute. It's in a coffin shape if you guys don't know. And then when you open it up, it says thank you, and then that's the bottom. Now, all the stuff came in, oh, it also has this cute little Fragile AF sticker at the bottom there. All the stuff came in bubble wrap and wrapped in black tissue paper. I just took everything out to speed up the process of showing you guys. It was so exciting. I was so excited, so like, I can't even really think of the word. So humbled that they thought of me. I was overwhelmed with such a gracious feeling. Because I'm very much on the smaller scope of influencers. You know, I'm more of a micro influencer, I could say. And I just really thought it was cool that a company saw me, liked me, and they wanted to send me some stuff. So thank you so much, LunatiCK Cosmetics. You guys are absolutely wonderful. So we will get into all the things that they sent me. They sent actually a lot. I literally was not expecting any of this. I thought they were just gonna show, you know, send a lipstick and a palette. They sent like so much stuff. So I will start with this. They sent I believe these are the lip slicks. I think that's how they go, right? Lip dyes, here we go, it says right down here. Lip dyes, they sent 2 colors for me. I will swatch these for you. These retail for $18. The first one is, I think it's just written on there. And how cute is this packaging? I don't know if you guys can see it or if the camera's gonna pick it up, but they're little skulls. I love skulls. Anybody that knows me knows I have a thing with skulls. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but I just love skulls. So this one is called Nancy. If you can see that there. This is such a color I would wear. Ground this out with a nice brown lip liner. This is something that I would wear. I love that. And I do want to put one of them on my lips, but I feel like I might try the bullet lipstick. This one is like a pretty pink. It's like a muted pink color. This one's Lori. Did I say that? That one right there. So when I got this in the mail, I actually put it up on Snapchat. Let me know if you guys are more Snapchatters or if you guys are the Instagram feed. Because I don't like the new Snapchat, so I don't really go on it too often, so maybe I'll just go on Instagram instead. But you guys let me know down below what you like, because when I do get packages, I will unbox them there if I don't have enough time to get to them right away. So next, they send me all of these. These are the lip slicks. These retail for $12, and they sent me 3, 6, 9, 11 of them. So I think I'm going to put one of them on my lips, but I want to swatch them. Wait, do I want to do these or those? Let's do the liquid lipstick, and then maybe we can find a bullet lipstick to put over top. So the name is not on the outside. Liquid lipsticks. Oh, okay, you guys know I love colors like this. So this one's called Ritual Red. Oh, and they smell a little mentholy. Oh, I love this color. So pretty. This one is called Paranormal. This one's a pretty purple. Succubus? Oh, I'm going. It's called London Bridge. That's a cute name. This one's a nice pastel purple. It's like a gray purple. This next one is called Crypt Cream. This one is called Coven Cream. And when I got this package, my niece was sitting with me at the pool and she was so excited. She was like swatching it. She's like, what about this one, TT? Can you do? Oh no, this one's broken. Oh no. Okay, the thing is a little messy. The wand is broken. Maybe I could fix it. Maybe I could put some super glue or something. Oh, and I love this color. This one is called Tainted Temptress. It's like a blackberry color. That's really pretty. I feel like I want to put this one on. Oh man, it's broken. Hold on, let me see if I can fix this. Okay, I don't know if I can fix it. If you see, that's just something with their packaging. It probably just broke after it was made. It was, I don't know, I'll see if I have some super glue and maybe glue that one back together and just clean it up. But that color is literally stunning. It is beautiful. I wanted to, man, I wanted to put that one on. I'll just set it to the side. I'll put it back in its box and I'll set it to the side. Maybe David has some super glue that I can put it back. But on to the next one. The next one is called Renegade. Oh, I like that. Yep, a nude. Right in my alley. Love it. Okay, this one is called Pout Off. It's like an electric pink. Ooh, that's fun. That's a fun color. Right here is, ooh, Creature, a green. Oh, will this dry down super dark? I've been looking for a really, oh, that's really cute. I like that color. I've been looking for a really fun green. Kind of like an army green, but this one's more of like a sea green, like a woodsy green. You know that green that's in the Crayola box? That's what it reminds me of. The green that everybody wanted to use. And then this one's called Graveheart. It's a purple, another purple. This one's fun too. That's a fun purple. If you see it right there. So those are the liquid lipsticks. And then for the last bit of lip items, these are the lipsticks. These come in gold bullets and they're $15 each, which isn't bad. Like I said, vegan and cruelty free. And that's what they came out with. Funny enough, I always told David if I were to come out with my own cosmetic line and do lipsticks, I always wanted to do a bullet, and look at this. So this color is nice and fun. This one is called Lacrimosa. Not sure. So we'll just swatch this right here. This one looks like a fun color though. There we go. I couldn't figure out how to swatch it. It's right here. I like that color. It's pretty. Smells good too. It smells like raspberries. Raspberries? This one's called AK-47. Yes. That right there gets you a good brown liner. Yes, ma'am. This one's nice. And how cute is this? It says LunatiCK Cosmetics around the bullet. Wait, let me see. It's called RPG. These are colors that I would wear. Like on a daily basis, I would wear these. So that one right here is RPG. That last one. And then I have one more, and then we'll get on to the palettes I want to show you guys. I'm really excited for these. This one's called Calabaza. Right there. It looks like a muted brick red. That's pretty. I love that. Okay, I like those. All right, so now on to their palettes. They sent me 2 palettes here. Well, they sent me 3, but these are 2 palettes. These are Pro Contouring palettes. Let me see what I have written down here. The Pro Contour book, right now they're retailing for $74.99. So that's about $6.24 per pan, and they're pretty large pan sizes. So I want to say they're about the same size as a Kiko. So these are about the same size, if not a little larger than the Makeup Forever pan sizes. You guys are familiar with those, or maybe the new Juvia's Place is the larger pan size. They're about the same pan size as that. So I really like this one. Now, here's the cool thing about this. These work to shade, highlight, minimize. These are for the eyes and the face, which I think is really, really cool. A lot of the times when we buy contouring books or palettes, they're only really meant for the face, and you can use these on both. So I really like that. I think that's super cool. This is volume 2, and then this is volume 1. If I can get it open. that's what it looks like. And I think I will probably dabble more in this one for possibly the eyes and contours with these darker shades. And then the second palette I will do probably more contouring because they do have darker colors. Some blushes you can do here. I want to see if I can get a full face out of this, obviously minus the foundation, but I think these are so pretty. Should I swatch a few? I ran out of room. We'll swatch this dark shade here. Ooh. That's good for contouring. I'm going to do the color right next to it, and I want to do the color above it. Because when I contour, I like to actually do something that's a little like more ready for me. Ooh. Okay, yeah, I like that. And you can put those on your cheeks as well. So I would obviously tap lightly in this one. These are really, really pretty. So those are 3 colors. So let me just show you really quick. I swatched 1, 2, and 3 there. So I really like this. I'm gonna put this in a video sometime so I can do a look using those. I think those are really, really pretty. I'm just gonna wipe them away. And man, actually I should have kept it. That's okay. I wanted to swatch possibly 1 or 2 in the other one. This is volume 1. Let me see if I can swatch. If you look here, I wiped these off, but they're still a little bit there. The last 3 here are going to be 1, 2, and 3 from this palette, if you can see it there. And then they also sent over the Mystifying Mattifying High Definition Micro Finish Pressed Powder, and it comes in like a Ouija guide. Is that what you call them? I think this is super cute, and it's a huge pressed powder. It's 9 grams, 0.31 of an ounce, and this lasts, it's good for 12 months. So I'm excited to try this as well. The last thing that they sent over is the Vampira palette. This is a vegan, obviously, and cruelty friendly, graveyard glamour. We get 5 shades in here, which is super cool, and I love this packaging. Look at this packaging, how cool. And then when you open it up, it has a mirror, and then it also has the 5 shades. So, okay, so this is what Tainted Temptress looks like on the lips. I really like this color. This is like a deep black cherry, deep berry color. Very, like, in person it looks, or maybe on camera it's reading as black, but in person it looks like a really deep red with black in it. I don't know, I love it. But I can tell you these do not dry down. So they're not a liquid lipstick where it's gonna dry matte and you can swipe your lip. If I were to swipe my lip, it's coming off with it. So that's something to take into consideration, but they are very comfortable. It kind of feels like a lip gloss in a sense, but very pigmented. So you see it? I don't know, I like that feeling. Sometimes liquid lipsticks that dry down can be very uncomfortable, but this is comfortable. It's like a liquid, like a lip gloss. I like that. Thank you so much for sending all these things over. I am so appreciative. I will be doing some looks and posting them on my Instagram. If you guys don't follow my Instagram, please do. I don't know what you're waiting on. It's at It's Me Rella. I'm Rella. It's me, you know, It's Me Rella. And just make sure you subscribe here on YouTube and make sure you hit that bell. I'm assuming a lot of people are not seeing me in their feed, so in order to ensure that you guys are seeing me, just do those things, and hopefully all is well with you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to be blessed, well dressed, and not stressed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.